This is the part 3 of the heavy duty faceplate for the 3-in-1 lathe. Right, this is it underway. I have already one T-slot cut. Doing the slot for the second T-slot. I'm doing each one individually. Now, this is a side view of the T-slot that has been cut. Now, this is it showing the parallels, raising the work up to the cutter, takes less pressure. This showing a long view. A bird's eye view on the cut. This is it being cut. This is the fourth cut. $75 now. 75 size cut. Each cut taken 75 size. Three T-slots already done. This is getting ready for the fourth T-slot. Cutting very, very nicely. This is it. Has been cut. Nice looking cut. Yes. Very pleased with that. That's ready for the fourth T-slot. So this is the last cut with the end mount. 75 by each cut. This is the last cut before the T-slot. Notice I am using a long series end mount. That is so as I can come close to here and this won't interfere. Right. This is it, cutting the T-slot. Looks tidy. This is the fourth and final T-slot.
This is the T-slot cutter.
This is the T-slot. That's all four T-slots done. Just have to take it off, clean it.
This is it that has been cut. This is the finished job. Side view, 4 T-slots. Dead center in place. This is the machine ready for the faceplate. Now, this is all needs done to it now is the 3 holes drilled, screwed, threaded.
Right, this is the lathe the faceplate is for. Always remember, cover your eyes when trying. Right, this being a recess, a good tight fit, that should hold it okay. Nice tight fit. That is it in place. All needed is 3 bolt holes, screws like this one. Just 1, 2, 3, and that will be it ready for use. Nice tight fit. Always cover your ways.
These are the plans that I have drawn up for the faceplate, and I followed the plan step by step. I hope this has been of interest to someone that has a 3-in-1 lathe and maybe thinking of making a faceplate, I'd look out for a tape on using it and go to my website. I am Benny Marner. Thank you for watching.